Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video, but I've been doing a lot of really big changes since the last time I saw you. So I actually moved from my salon in North Carolina and now I am living and working in Florida. And this place is amazing, guys. It's like paradise here. It's warm and I'm like 10 minutes from the beach and it's just fantastic. I wanted to do a video today kind of giving you guys a tour of my new salon. So I'm working at a salon called Pure Strands, and this place is really cool. They're actually in the same building as a gym and a restaurant that they all own together. So the gym is called Pure Life and the restaurant is called Pure Greens. This whole company is about promoting a healthy lifestyle and how a healthy lifestyle will lead you into healthy hair. So I just love the whole idea behind it. Working here has been great so far and I can't wait for you guys to see my new space. Let me know what you think. So this is walking into the salon. Welcome to Pure Strands. This is Michael, our barber. This is Liz and Nicolette. Hello. This is all of our color. I'm using Goldwell for the first time and loving it so far. We've also got some Pulp Riot up there that they brought in for me. You guys know I love Pulp Riot. There's all of our Goldwell swatches. Really pretty, really rich colors. So this is our shampoo room. Let me back up so you guys can see. Got a little wax station in the corner. Really cool spot. We've got a white noise machine and an oil diffuser, so that's cool. This is all of our back bar. We carry the Goldwell Carousel line as well as Finola. This is a local line called Under the Sea that's made in Florida, so that's really cool. We also have all of the Davinus shampoos and conditioners. They're all great. We've got some gym lights at the top. The Lumen, Bond Pro, and Uberless for strength over here, and then we have Esquire shampoo for our men. This is our little wax setup. This is some of our retail, some of the Goldwell Carousel. Got these really cool Pure Strands hair ties, so they're really gentle on your hair. You don't cause any breakage. And this is where all of the art goes down. Liz is hard at work. This is Dee Dee, our salon manager. So here's some more of our retail. This is Davinus. They're a really great line. Everything is sulfate and paraben free. Really cool, great products. We have our little coffee bar. So we have coffee, wine, mimosas, tea. We also keep the Pure Greens menu in here. This is part of our company, the restaurant, that is in the building with us. So they have a lot of really good options we can order for the clients while they're processing, hanging out, whatever. Everything is really good. And here's a little bit more of our retail over here. And these are just some back bar products. This is Michael's spot, our barber. So he's got the coolest chair in the building. And this is my throne. So this is where you'll see all of my videos coming from. Around here. We've also got these really cool pull down dryers. So you can just pull it down. And blow dry like that. It's really easy. It's really cool. Alright guys. definitely from now on. This is where all the magic is going to be happening. So let me know what you guys think of my new space. Also, if you have any questions for me, anything like that, feel free to leave me a comment below, like always. But because I am using Goldwell for the first time, if there's any Goldwell users that have any like tips or tricks of the trade that you want to share with me, I would love that. I promise I will be putting out a new hair video soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel because I would love to see more of you. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today, so I'll see you in the next video.